Hey everybody, I'm Luca, and this is my first video, and I'm really excited. Today, my first video is going to be how to build a Lego Boba Fett minifigure from Star Wars. So this is my full figure, full finished product. So it's really easy. You're going to use a helmet, normal helmet. You're going to paint it green. And then you're going to, with a black Sharpie, you're going to draw that part. And you can also use black paint if you want. And I would use acrylic paint for this, because it stays on really well. And then you're going to use red acrylic paint. And you're going to paint the outside, the outliner for the red outliner, the mask, and that's going to be our mask. And since we're doing it on the back, there's going to be a big space here. So when you take your face, you want to, with a black Sharpie, I drew on the back so it would look a little more realistic. And then for the little cape, I got a brown cape and then just kind of cut this shape out. And then I used a gray body, and I colored the green armor on it with the green acrylic paint. And then finally the legs, which a really light blue. If you want, you can also just use gray. I use really light blue because that's what it looks like. And then I took the green acrylic paint and kind of painted that right there. And then for the knee pads, I got yellow acrylic paint and painted that on there. And so if you put them together, it looks like this. Nice. And that. So that's him. And take his helmet off. Used a stormtrooper face. Then there. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is my first video I'm doing. I will be doing more videos like this and making some more figs. So, I hope you like this video, and please put a like down. And a big thumbs up. That would be really good. Again, this is my first video, and I will be definitely doing more videos like this. See you guys later. Bye.